Hi friends, today I am going to explain about the converting non-terminating decimals to the fractions. So this is very helpful to many competitive exams like SSC, CGL and bank exams and our state board exams also. Many competitive exams in this type of questions will come. So like here 3.1 on bar plus 4.16 on bar plus 0.244 on bar. So what is the sum? So such questions may come in such examinations. So we have to first convert them into fractional form. To convert them in the fractional form, we have a small trick is there. So how to convert them? Here let I am taking here one example. 5.48 on bar is there. Here after decimal point 2 digits on bar is there. So that we can write here, we have to write all these digits 5, 4, 8 and which are not having bar, that digits we have to subtract from this number. So that is 5 is not having bar, so that I am subtracting. And next we have to write denominator numbers, that is depends on the bar value. So here 2 digits having bar, so that take in place of that 2 nines. Okay, 548 minus 5 equals to 543 by 93, and this is we have to convert in the simplest fraction. So it is a 5 plus 4 is a 9, 9 plus 3 is a 12. 12 is a multiple of 3, so that we can divide with 3. 181 times here, and this is a 33 times. So this is the value of 5.48 on bar. Similarly here one more question is there. 9.234 34 on bar is there here. So that here we have to write full number first term. 9 2 3 4 minus, and which digits are not having bar here? 9 and 2 is not having bar, so that 9 2 we have to subtract by after decimal point, which how many digits are having bar? Only 2 digits, so that 2 nines we have to take, and after decimal point 1 digit not having bar, so that place we have to take as 0. Now we have to subtract 4 minus 2 is a 2, and this is a 3. When you take bar it becomes 13. 13 minus 9 is a 4, and here 1 will be left, and here 9 by 990, and we have to cancel because we have to write in always simplest form. So here when you do a division with a 2 table, 2 4s, 2 5s, 2 7s, 1s, and this become 4 9 5. 4571 by 495, like we can write that. Similarly this question also we have to convert into like fractional form, and then we have to add. So let I'm taking here 3.1 on bar, that we can write 31, and here 3 is not having bar, so that minus 3 by only one digit. After decimal we have only one digit having bar, so that we can write 9 plus, and here 416 minus, here 4 is not having bar, so that 4 we have to subtract, and 2 digits are having bar, so that we have to take 2 nines, plus 24 we have to write first. 024 is nothing but 24 minus 2 by, here 1 digit having bar, after decimal point 1 digit having bar, so that 19, and 1 digit not having bar, so that it becomes 0. We have to subtract 31 minus 3. 31 minus 3 is 28 by 9 plus 416 minus 4, that become 412 by 99 plus 24 minus 2, that equals to 22 by 90. And next we have to take LCM. 99, 9 and 90. This is 990. In 9 table it comes 110 times. In 9 table it comes 110 times. 110 into 28 plus in 99 it comes 10 times. 412 into 10 plus in 90 table it comes 11 times. So here 22 into 11 and it become 3080 plus and it become 4120 plus 22 11 242 by 990, and we have to add this number 3080 plus 4120 plus 242 2 14 4 7 2442, that value we can get. We are getting this 7442 by 990. So finally we can write it as 7.442, and here 2 digits are having bar, so that last 2 digits should be taken as a bar, and 1 0 is there, so that we have to take 1 digit is a not having bar. Like that we have to take here. Here 3 digits are there, 999 there, so that after 3 digits from right to left we have to take 3 digits after pointer, and after decimal point right side if you take here 2 nines here, so 2 nines there, that's why we are taking 2 digits for bar and 1 digit for not having bar. Okay, I think you understand about this concept. Okay, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and please share to your friends. Okay, bye.